I'd encourage you to take a look at the consensus conference proceedings by the Osteology Foundation. This particular consensus, it's our second one that we've done by the foundation, focused on the evidence-based knowledge of peri-implant tissues. And so we have 4 consensus reports that are focused on the state-of-the-art of new information that's being generated on soft tissue, hard tissue bone augmentation around peri-implant tissues, as well as looking at the importance of peri-implant health depending on the distance between implants in both the vertical and horizontal dimension. So there are a lot of different clinical implications of this work that really will apply to clinicians in the clinical community, looking at how can we best treat and maintain peri-implant tissues. So again, we'd like to encourage you to read these exciting findings being published in clinical oral implants research.